Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This brief description will explain you what is Quran VBV. Quran VBV is basically Quran verse by verse. I developed this simple Excel program just to make myself convenient in understanding the Quran, which I felt that if I have the Quran as ayat wise in front of me, so it's going to be convenient for me. So right now, just you have to open the Excel program, and you have a similar situation in front of you. You can simply click Bismillah.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
So after the thousand tasmiyah, you can start reading the Quran. You can select the ayat which you want to from here. The first digits show that the surah you are selecting, and the second digit shows that the ayat you are selecting. For example, I have selected the Surah Baqarah, ayat number 5, and you have some basic details right in front of you about the surah name, about the number of ayat, about the total number of ayats, and also the total number of rukus and revelation in front of you. If you want to have the recitation, you have to simply click here.
أولئك على هدى من ربهم وأولئك هم المفلحون.
So by simply clicking, you can know that whatever the recitation is, so translation is in front of you, and when you are done understanding it and you are very satisfied with the learning of the ayat, you can simply click next and go to the next ayat. And this Excel program has been very useful for me in this Ramadan in understanding the few verses of Quran which I have been through. So I think that it's going to be useful for others as well, who are especially interested in understanding Quran and they don't want to go through the Quran in a hurry. So this Excel program is going to be freely available, and the download link is going to be available in the description shortly, inshallah. I hope people have understood and you people have liked this effort. Thank you.